Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a security researcher that is not happy with the way Microsoft is handling a 0 day that he found that actually he sent to Microsoft security team, said, look, there's a security flaw here in Windows, and is not happy the way that they're handling it, and decided, well, here we go. He published the security flaw on the internet. So basically, other researchers have taken that all the information and the code, and they confirmed that yes, it officially works, and you can have elevation of privilege within Windows 11. So it's not quite clear what happened between Microsoft and him, but and how usually there are protocols like when there's a security flaw that is discovered, say, by some other theme. What happens is that they give 6 months to Microsoft to fix it before they will disclose it. In this case, it seems to be much, much sooner. And so the exploit was posted by someone named Chaos Eclipse, and it indeed is making a 0-day work on Windows. Now, the good news is that that 0 day is not critical in the sense that you need to have access, physical access to the computer. So you need to have or be in the computer already before you can even try this 0-day flaw. But still, it's a serious enough 0 day that I guess he's not happy that Microsoft maybe is not fast enough in handling the security flaw and fixing it. I guess this will probably make Patch Tuesday possibly fix this flaw, because now that he's disclosed all the info on how to exploit it. Well, not how to exploit it. He gave the code, he gave the information. He did say, I'm not explaining how to, do it. He kind of says, all the genius out there, just use my code and find out. But this is, we've heard over the last years several researchers, security researchers, not super happy at Microsoft, saying that they don't seem to take seriously a lot of what some security researchers have sent, or sometimes the fix is not a total fix, and it's like, okay, well, you fixed it halfway, but it's still possible to exploit. And this is something that has to be taken seriously. Apparently, it doesn't work on Windows Server, so that is one thing also maybe that Microsoft has decided, that it's not as important since Windows Server isn't affected. So it's really just for Windows 11 for for the standard users. So anyways, we'll see if Microsoft fixes this, but it's kind of an interesting little story. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.